Hello! Good morning, good morning! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Puerto Rico kung saan ako ay mamamasyal. Dahil may promise ako sa kaibigan ko na si Sandra Lakbayen, Sandra Lakbayen at ang kanyang pinakamamahal na kapatid. Ang Rupa may look alike ng Angeles City, Pampanga, si Jennifer. Binabati ko kayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Nandito ako ngayon, namamasyal sa Puerto Rico at hahanapin natin si Sergio Santibanez tsaka si Marimar. Puerto Rico. How many times na rin naman ako nakapunta rito sa Puerto Rico? So, yan, nakadak kami ngayon. At mamamasyal ako. Actually, paborito kong pasyalan dito sa Harley Davidson store. Tapos, yung mga Puerto Rican store. Yan o. Buenavito, Puerto Rico. Ganyan. Pasyal-pasyal.
Hello.
Pasyal-pasyal. Gala-gala yan. Banggain yung mga yan. Gala-gala. Yan. This is my 6th time here at Puerto Rico. Alam nyo, nakasinulang Margarita Cucharita. Puerto Rico. Ang ganda. Diba? Yan, ano ko, diba? Chef, where are you going? I'm looking for that one. That's that sign. This is my 6th times here.
6 times.
Yeah, already. I've been there. Hindi there. Ang ganda, 'di ba, Sandra, Sunny, Lakbayen? Namamasyal ang amiga mong Noemi Lopez dito sa Puerto Rico. This is our chef in the main galley also. He's working with me inside into our department. We are here at Puerto Rico de Putaca. Here, look at that. Look at the view. So nice. I like that boat. Can I bring that home? So where are we going though? Look at that. It's just the same weather in the Philippines, but it's very nice view here. Puerto Rico is a colony, American colony. It's a big island, but it's not country. I heard that Puerto Rico is not country. It's an island, colony by America. Look at that yacht there, over there. I've been working before in the Philippine Manila Yacht Club. They hired me as a private chef. Diba ang ganda?